Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on Samsung Galaxy M55s. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to manage your Google account. Then click on data and privacy and now you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's open for example Google Play Store and click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click next to recover it. And here I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. Now click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.